everyone, and welcome to another edition of the Excalibur Roundtable Tech Talk. I am Mike Fuson. We've been talking about IT asset management and the CMDB, and we've really been kind of focused in our discussions on talking about how IT uses it. Well, one of the things that's wonderful about asset management and CMDB processes is it's certainly not limited to the IT department. This could be leveraged by the facilities department as an example, because they may, within their CMDB, so their tracked items, they are tracking chillers and all manner of other things. But from an asset management perspective, they're tracking their purchase of gloves and light bulbs and screwdrivers and other things that might be consumable items that are being leveraged and may be going against items that are within the CMDB. Now, what that gives us the ability to do is really start to extend beyond the walls of IT. So there's some examples around facilities management, but you start getting into things that also might be akin to IT. So let's think about as a customer, if you're a customer that has multiple warehouses, well, within those warehouses, you probably have folks that are doing picking within those warehouses. So they may have a handheld barcode scanner, perhaps they have a headset that they wear, or there could be other equipment that's issued to them in order to do their day-to-day job. Well, when you start to look at some of this equipment, it's gotten pretty sophisticated. That handheld scanners can be quite expensive. Headsets can be quite expensive. And you want to know who they've been checked out to. And we have a number of customers that leverage barcode scanning, check-in and check-out processes with their warehouse equipment. So they may be checking them out for the week to a particular employee, or they may be in a busy time of the year for them as an organization, and they've brought in additional outside help that is more temporary. And so every day they're issuing equipment to a temporary employee that's there to help out and help them with the rush or the peak activity. And they're able to know that it was checked out, and then was it checked back in? And if it wasn't checked back in and we go and look for it, do we find it? If we don't find it, now we have, again, the governance processes I talked about before around, okay, we got a piece of equipment that seems to be missing. Let's track that down. And it helps then with break fix as well. If piece of equipment doesn't seem to be functioning correctly, we can scan it. It's going to get tied directly to the CMDB. We've done some work with our partner CG4 and their scanning technology where you can raise an incident about a particular CI simply by scanning it and pushing a button. And then you can provide some context if you want, and that context could be freeform typing, or it could be actually selectable menus that raise an incident in the IT service management platform. So the ability to do these things is already here. It's already being done for organizations, and this helps with the asset management and really cost control of those assets, who has them and where they are. So this is extending IT asset management and really the asset management principles and CMDB principles beyond the walls of IT. Stay with us as we continue to explore IT asset management as a process, as well as CMDB.